Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade Nutella. So the thing that I like about homemade Nutella is you get to control some of those factors yourself. Like I like it a little bit on the less sweet side than you get out of like the regular Nutella. So you get to do that, which is really nice. You can sort of control it if you want more chocolate, if you want more sugar, less chocolate, less sugar, whatever you want, you get to do. The other thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to melt chocolate chips in the microwave, which is a really easy thing to do, but can be really easy to mess up. So you don't need a double boiler or anything. So let's get to it. So the first thing you need to do when making homemade Nutella is toast the hazelnuts. The reason that you're going to do that is because they have a little skin on them, like most nuts do, and we want to be able to remove that. So it's really easy if you just kind of throw them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees and just get a nice little toast on them. It'll make it really easy to remove the skin. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven, like I said, 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Have one for myself, wait for them to finish. So we roasted the hazelnuts. Now we actually need to remove the skins. It's super easy. Once they cool down, so let them cool for about 20 minutes, you're just gonna take them and just rub them between your hands and the skins will just fall right off. Super simple. Let's do it. And after that, just transfer them over to a bowl and on to the next batch. Just rinse and repeat until you get all of those skins off. The reason that we're doing this is you don't want those papery skins in your Nutella. Now, you don't have to be like super anal retentive about it. It's okay if some of them are on, it's not gonna ruin it, but like if you left all of it on, it just would be a really weird texture for the Nutella. Okay, so we've removed all of the skins from the hazelnuts. Now I'm gonna add them to the food processor so we can puree them. Let's go ahead and pulse them until they're nice and smooth. So the next thing that we need to do is melt our chocolate chips. Now, it's super easy to do without a double boiler, but you do need a microwave. Just take a microwave safe bowl with the chocolate chips in there and microwave them on 10-second intervals. Microwave it, mix it around, put it back in the microwave it again, mix it around until they're completely melted. It's real simple. You don't need a double boiler at all. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna use the magic of video. Okay, so my chocolate is melted. So the next thing I'm gonna do is work that into the hazelnuts. Now I've added a little bit of oil here. And the reason I did that is so the chocolate is a little bit more pliable. So it'll actually pour into the hazelnut mixture. You just wanna use any sort of oil that is neutral. So I used a canola oil. You just want a neutral oil. You also could use a nut oil. You just don't wanna use something like olive oil or, that would be a little strong for this. Just add that to the hazelnuts. There we go. You know what? Have some for yourself. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract and some powdered sugar. Now the reason I'm using powdered sugar is the powdered sugar will incorporate a lot faster than if you were to use granulated sugar. And we're just gonna mix that all together. Scrape down the sides. And you just want to keep pureeing this until it's really nice and smooth. Oh yeah, this is looking really, really good. Hey, let's just give it a try. Yay, Nutella. Super easy to make. Like I said, the thing that I really like about this is just how simple it is and how you can adjust it to your own personal taste. You can make it sweeter, you can make it chocolatier, you can make it less, whatever you want. Super tasty. Okay, so I'm just gonna transfer the Nutella to a little mason jar, so that way it's easy to store. Just smell all that chocolate. There you go, homemade Nutella. If you like this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you next time.